I don't know why me and my daddy was going. We went in a we passed the coconut and then we saw car accident, all those kind of things. And when we was going back to that, we saw house breakdown.
Oh my gosh. I don't know how we reached to speaking in this accent, but I guess we are, huh? Alright, Miss Lady, what are you going to plant today?
Some cucumbers. Yeah.
Alright, so she has her soil prepared and stuff. This is the soil here that we put in an empty water bottle.
I am just figuring out how to open this book. It's kind of difficult. Yeah, okay, please.
Don't know where the water.
How much is the box?
Put a few.
Few. Let's see. There? There, Auntie?
Yeah, put it high enough. Put it, make sure it's. Alright, go put it where you do have soil now. Alright, so now we're going to get some more soil and place on top of this, okay?
Yeah, and then I guess we gotta water it.
Well, it has plenty. The place is very cold right now, so.
Yep.
Alright, let's go and get some more dirt.
Yeah.
Or we could get some dirt from right in this
Yeah.
here, because this is some fresh soil. So let's pick up some here.
It needs to grow very big.
What you throwing in
Like
there?
more.
No, we don't want no more. Let's get a little bit of soil from here. This is coconut, the old coconut tree and leaves we had. We leave to break down.
And
Yeah.
I don't know why me and my daddy was going. We went in a we passed the coconut and then we saw car accident, all those kind of things. And when we was going back to that, we saw house breakdown.
Oh my gosh. I don't know how we reached to speaking in this accent, but I guess we are, huh? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to set this aside and we're going to see how our cucumbers come. Yes? So you're going to come back someday and show them how the cucumbers come. You just drop it like that.
Peace
Alright,
out.
peace out. Hola. So let us measure this cucumber. And we're not going to measure here to here. We're measuring from one end to the one end. Alright, we don't want to rub the cucumber off anything. So we're going from one end here to the other end here. And we have 7 inches of cucumber. So our cucumber, Kamiko cucumber, actually grew. The one that we picked, we have others on the tree, 7 inches. So look out for when we make a salad with Kamiko's cucumber that she grew, as you all saw from seed. And I am going to use the tarragon vinegar that I made previously in this salad. So look out for that, for this salad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Before you go, don't forget to check out the tarragon vinegar that I mentioned that I'm going to use to make that salad right here. Thanks for watching.